Okay, let's talk scorpions and centipedes. Centipedes seem to be very susceptible to many of the products that are used. They're not a huge challenge to get under control. Scorpions. So scorpions love cracks, crevices. They like to get wedged into little areas where they can hide. Treating the siding, where the siding and the stem wall or the foundation meet, with an insecticidal dust is one thing we would do, along with a barrier band around the base of the house. Dusting the crawl space with the boric acid based product to reduce prey items for them to prey on. Scorpions are active predators. They get out and they move around hunting their prey. So reducing the available population along with insecticidal dust and closing up gaps around plumbing areas under sinks is an effective way to help deal with them, as well as just reducing the overall food source that's available to them. Ensuring door sweeps are tight, there's not big gaps, there's not holes around the house where plumbing, AC lines, things of that nature are going into the house. Making sure those are sealed up are all important ways of keeping scorpions out of your home.